Wilma-Schumann Vitamin C Elixir is a powerful antioxidant that provides a unique defense system that protects against environmental influences and free radicals. To activate the vitamin C elixir, 1. Pull the flap on the white overcaps in the direction indicated by the arrow. 2. Remove the overcap entirely. 3. Press the red button containing the vitamin C firmly into the bottle until it is flush with the lid. 4. Tap the bottle on a solid surface 2 or 3 times to ensure that all of the powder falls into the emulsion. 5. Shake the bottle well for a few seconds until the vitamin C and the emulsion are perfectly blended. 6. Remove the lid. Make sure that no powder is left in the container. 7. Then put the flexible dropper included on the bottle. Use in the morning after thorough cleansing. Apply 3 drops on the tips of your fingers. Apply to the entire face and neck and massage lightly. Follow with a Wilma-Schumann moisturizer. Vitamin C Elixir is a rich vitamin C emulsion that, when activated, delivers pure, fresh, and active vitamin C to the skin for all skin types, provides powerful antioxidant benefits, and helps protect skin against environmental factors. Skin becomes noticeably firmer, more resistant and glowing. Fresh and invigorating fragrance